If you eat this one food at night, you may be damaging your sleep, your digestion, and even your heart, without realizing it. Most people enjoy a snack before bed. Maybe a bowl of cereal, some leftover pasta, a bag of chips, or a sweet dessert. It feels comforting, it feels harmless, and many people believe eating before sleep helps them fall asleep faster. But doctors are now warning, there is one specific type of food that should absolutely never be eaten at night because it quietly disrupts your hormones, digestion, sleep cycle, blood sugar, and even your heart. Today, I'll explain the science behind why this happens, what food category is the most dangerous at night, and what healthier bedtime alternatives you can choose instead. Let's begin. Number 1. The food you must never eat at night. High-carb and high-sugar foods, yes. The worst nighttime food group is high-carbohydrate plus sugary foods. Examples include white rice, pasta, bread, cookies, cake, ice cream, sugary cereals, sweetened yogurt, chocolate bars, processed snacks. Why is this food group the most? Let's break down the hidden science. Number 2. It causes a massive blood sugar spike at the wrong time. When you eat sugary or high-carb food at night, your blood sugar instantly rises. But here's the problem. At night, your body naturally lowers insulin levels so you can sleep deeply. If you eat carbs, your body is forced to raise insulin again, which overworks the pancreas, stops melatonin production, interferes with sleep regulation, causes midnight energy crashes. Many USA adults wake up at 2 or 3 a.m. with anxiety, sweating, racing heart, sudden hunger, because their blood sugar crashed after a late. This cycle is extremely harmful long term. Number 3. Your digestive system slows down at night. USA and European sleep experts agree. Your digestion becomes 70% slower at night. Eating heavy carbs or desserts at night leads to bloating, indigestion, acid reflux, gas buildup, stomach discomfort, poor sleep quality. This is why many people wake up with a heavy stomach or morning bloating. Your stomach simply cannot break down heavy carbs properly when your body is in rest and repair mode. Number 4. It triggers fat storage, especially belly fat. Here's something most people don't know. At night, your body is more likely to store extra calories as fat. Why? Metabolism slows, you are not active. Insulin remains elevated longer. Growth hormone fat burning hormone drops. Fat burning stops completely, meaning a bowl of pasta at night creates more belly fat than the same bowl eaten at breakfast. This is scientifically proven and a major reason nighttime snacking causes weight gain. Number 5. Sugary nighttime foods disrupt heart function. High-carb nighttime eating increases nighttime heart rate and affects heart rhythm. Doctors warn that late-night carb intake can lead to
palpitations, nighttime blood pressure, fluid retention, poor heart recovery at night. The heart is supposed to recover, not work harder. This is why many USA adults wake up with morning chest pressure or a pounding heartbeat after late-night meals. Number 6. It destroys your sleep cycle. Melatonin suppression. Melatonin, the hormone that puts you to sleep, can only rise when your insulin stays low. But when you eat carbs or sugary foods at night, melatonin drops. Sleep onset delays. Deep sleep reduces. REM cycle gets disturbed. You wake up tired even after 8 hours. Your brain doesn't recover properly. This leads to long-term stress, memory problems, brain fog, low mood, hormonal imbalance. And number 7. It causes nighttime acid reflux. Carbs plus sugar gives increased stomach acid. Laying down gives pushes acid upward into the throat. Symptoms include burning in the chest, bitter taste, dry cough, throat irritation, intermittent sleep. This is one of the biggest hidden causes of nighttime discomfort in USA adults. Number 8. So what should you eat instead? Doctor-approved options. If you truly feel hungry at night, choose foods that do not spike blood sugar, do not disturb digestion, do not interfere with hormones, do not raise heart rate. Best nighttime snacks. A handful of nuts, a boiled egg, plain Greek yogurt unsweetened, a small banana, herbal tea, warm. These support restful sleep and stable nighttime hormones. Conclusion. So remember, the worst food you can eat at night is high-carb and high-sugar foods. They cause blood sugar spikes, poor sleep, acid reflux, belief, heart, stress, hormonal imbalance, morning tiredness. If you want to sleep better, improve digestion, balance hormones, and protect your heart, avoid heavy carbs and sugary foods after sunset. For more important health advice like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel.